Hi, I'm Daniel Zaleski. I'm a Product Applications Manager in the Precision Amplifier Group at Analog Devices. And today, we're showing an inverted pendulum demo showcasing the TMC 4671 servo controller, the AD8410A current sense amplifiers, as well as the AD-AF1080 magnetic field sensor. The unique thing about the TMC 4671 servo controller is that it implements the FOC algorithm in hardware as opposed to software. The AD8410A current sense amplifiers, in conjunction with the TMC 4671 servo controller, allow us to accurately and quickly adjust this motor so it doesn't fall over in this inverted pendulum application. We have to use fast and accurate current sensing techniques, as well as the FOC algorithm implemented in the TMC 4671 in hardware, in order to accurately computate this motor with the linear actuator. We're using the ADAF1080 and a clamp meter solution here to measure the overall current in the system as well. And this is showing the total amount of current in the system, and the current increases according to the amount of torque required when I move the inverted pendulum arm as well. The TMC 4671 servo controller and the AD8410A current sense amplifiers allow our customers to efficiently design motor control solutions with field-oriented control without the need for expert knowledge in motor control. The AD-AF1080 magnetic field sensor allows customers to contactlessly measure currents in applications as well. So this is the ADAF1080 current clamp meter, measuring the total amount of current in the system contactlessly. If you'd like any more information about motor control solutions or current sense amplifier solutions, please visit our website.